come to one of the big washout areas, you can see that even the railing is hanging in space. And you can see how far down the river is. And just the thought of it getting up high enough to cause the land underneath the road to slide out. And then we see a lot of debris from the river. It's kind of like all this debris washed up there, kind of like driftwood. Since it was a raging river, instead of drifting, it might be raging riverwood. I don't know. But the entire lane of the road on Highway 176 has been washed out in several places, not just this one. Now you might think I'm getting mighty close to the edge, but I'm really not. I'm staying 3 or 4 feet away from the edge. And I have my camera on a 5-foot extension pole so that I can reach out and let you see some of this damage without me getting too close, because I don't know underneath some of the asphalt whether the land is still there or not. That's looking pretty darn serious again. Let's go take a closer look at that, see what we see. Again, you can see the railing kind of hanging in space. Some of it's still grounded, but part of the road is washed away. Again, the river just having to get up high enough to do this kind of damage. Now, we did have 10 inches of rain prior to the Hurricane Helene, and then a day or two later we had an additional 20 inches. So a total of 30 inches is what I've heard reported. So that is more water than most any river around here can handle. And again, I'm not as close to the edge as you think I am. I'm back at least 3, maybe 4 feet in cases, using the camera on a 5-foot pole. So you can better see this. And even these, first time I've been able to kind of see underneath some of that. You may hear the river down below. Now, just about 100 yards from where I just was, you'll see one of the 2 twin bridges. Now, the rocks here are so high that it looks like all the water passed beneath the bridge. There appears to be no damage to the bridge whatsoever down through there. Going under the bridge, but the cement of the bridge and the rock walls seem to really contain all of that in this area.